Hey, welcome to Wolf's Watch. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are today. Right now, I am in St. Ignace, Michigan. We are where North and South Michigan connect, the Lower Peninsula and the Upper Peninsula. We're on the Upper Peninsula. Behind me is part of the Straits of Mackinac Straits, I believe. I always get it mixed up. Mackinac and Mackinac. Mackinac Island, Mackinac Straits. So Straits of Mackinac Straits between the upper and lower peninsula, but also Lake Huron. So some of what you see behind me here is Lake Huron. Oh, it's just I wish I could get the perspective in for you because back here is also what would it be? It's like right behind this boat here. You can't see it because of the glare from the sun. Is Mackinac Island, which is where the War of 1812 started, amongst other things. A lot of history here. There's a great spot, great Ojibwa Nation Museum that's just up the street from here that has history on Native Americans in this region, and the water is looking great and cold. It is a brisk 44 degrees on September 28th at 10 o'clock in the morning. Just watched one of the ferries come in, bringing people over from Mackinac Island. There's another one that's heading back out. You might be able to see it there in the background. Can we get that? Probably not. Jeez, need a bigger camera. Ah, there it is. See that moving through the water back there? Blue and white boat is a ferry headed out to Mackinac Island. There is world-class fudge and taffy here. I remember as a kid when we come up here in the summertime watching the taffy being made in the window so that we could grab some. Might have a chance to see if maybe there's something to bring back out west. I don't know. We'll find out. But here it is. Here goes the ferry heading out to Mackinac Island, which sits in the Straits, Mackinac Straits. And way off in the distance, you can't see it with the perspective from this camera, but way on the horizon is where we're just at for the few days. Upper Peninsula, Michigan, on the eastern part of the Upper Peninsula, Michigan. Gonna keep checking in with you from the road. I don't have anything profound. It's just I want to point out some of these awesome places that you need to get out of the house, out of the state, onto the road, and go see, go experience it. Excuse me. And it's so much. It's interesting because I remember just as a wee lad, we would stop here as part of our summer vacation / fishing trip, and a lot has changed, but not much has changed at the same time. It's interesting to see, there's progress, there's evolution here, and changing of the generations, but fundamentally, it's yet see a lot of new stuff. The new tech and whatnot is all here, and it's just nice to have that feeling of clean air. The water's still pristine. You can still see the bottom, 20 feet down, because the water's we're still clean and clear on the Great Lakes. So anyway, going to be on the road, checking in with you. Thanks for being part of Wolf's Watch. I am looking forward to chatting with you in a bit. I'm going to go warm up and hit the road. We're having an adventure. How about you?